going to be?
Lo and behold, I can't even escape these things when I'm not at work. Volkswagen Caddy. I've had a few complaints with Volkswagen where the customer exits the vehicle and the radio stays on and whatever. It's usually the ignition. Check out the Bora video, but in emergency, it's fuse number. It's this last blue fuse here, 15 amp. And that identification is fuse number 18, I think. And it'll be the ignition, hopefully. But hopefully not for my mate, but if it is, I'll make a video about it. So for now, we're just trying to check if the ignition steering lock pin, when you pull the key out, clicks down and turns the light on. But now we've pulled the key out, the fuse out. Anyway.
Go to bed.
Okay.